All right, I gave you guys an overview of the equipment that is needed to do a shoot at any food, cocktail kind of place, restaurant, bar, whatever. But I want to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, right? And I'm just going to show you guys the equipment that I use, right? Because I'm not going to talk about something I haven't used before. And also, I found that after all this time shooting, this is just what makes the most sense on location, right? So what that means is everything I have is light. It's a small footprint, doesn't take up a lot of space. It's easy to move around. It's sturdy. So here's just what I use, right? So we're gonna start from the bottom up, right? I used to spend a lot of money on light stands for this kind of thing, and then I realized, they would get dinged up. They would, people would step on them, like, at the restaurant, staff would be walking by and accidentally step on one of the legs, and I realized, like, I kept having to replace these things, so I decided I'll just get something that's really sturdy and really affordable at the same time, and that's where this small rig light stand came in, and I was like, this thing is actually incredible, like, super small, opens up, boom, 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 right? These pop open, and it's about, this thing actually gets pretty high. Remember that, the highest thing you're shooting is a person, right? This is the average person behind a bar. So you got to think, for the most part, as long as you have the ability to have a light above you. I'm 5'10", I'm average height. If you could have the light be above you, that's all you need. This thing is super small, super light, probably cost about 50 bucks. And works for any professional shoot that you're gonna have in any bar or restaurant. The only time you would need something bigger or sturdier than this is if you're gonna have a really large softbox on the light that you have, and that would only be necessary if you're gonna be shooting multiple people in a frame, like 6, 7 people on a couch having cocktails together. But for the most part, this is all you need for 90% of the shoots you're gonna be doing. I love that it's light, mobile, fits in a backpack, boom, closes easy, it's just a great piece of equipment. I'm gonna put the link for this in this course lesson. So that right there is your light stand.